Very grateful to our Honorable Chief Guest, Madam Maryam Bakhtawar, respected SDO Sir Syed Mahmood, and ASDO Asad Khan Yusufzai, and also our village council, Firab Khan Lala, and all our honorable teachers, and all the parents that you give us your precious time from your busy schedules. Today is the day of great happiness for me. I have no words to thank my honorable chief guest, Madam Maryam Bakhtawar, my respected head teacher Muslim Khan, and all the young and intelligent staff of my school to select me for this precious award. And you will be amazed when you heard that this is the first time that I have been received this precious award in my 5 years of teaching career. As there are a lot of senior and experienced teachers among us, and they are very well known and very respected for me. So I would like to say something about teachers and also about the occupation of teaching. As we know that teaching is the profession of our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So there is no doubt that it is a very respectful job. Moreover, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. The best thing about being a teacher is that it matters, and the hardest thing about being a teacher is that it matters every day. As you know that apart from your parents, your teachers are the only people that are never jealous of your success. To be a great teacher, you do not need latest technology, cutest classrooms, and also a newest outfit. The only thing you need is a patience for learning and the heart that you love your every student as they enter in your class. Sir, this is our not job to prepare the students for something, but our job is to prepare the students for everything. My dear teachers, we are here to prepare the generation of today and to face the challenges of tomorrow. I don't have a job, but I have a gift, and each day I thank Allah that I can make a positive difference in the lives of my children. And at last, I am very proud to say that I am a teacher. Thank you, Allah.